So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you how to switch personal account to professional account. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, open your profile and just click on three lines. Go to settings. Okay. So here you can see account, just tap on it. And here you can see an option called switch to professional account. Okay, so now just click on continue option here, and now you need to select the category of your page in Instagram. After that, click on done, and now it will ask you like creator or business. Okay, choose any one of these and click on continue. So in this way you can switch personal account to professional account in Instagram. Thank you for watching.